10 easy drawing hacks for budding artists. Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you ready to unlock your creative superpowers? Today, we're diving into 10 super easy drawing hacks that will make you a master artist in no time. These aren't your grandma's art lessons. We're talking fun, innovative, and totally kid-friendly techniques. So grab your pencils, paints, and a whole lot of imagination. Let's get started and turn ordinary into extraordinary. Ever thought your hand could become a turkey? Or maybe a roaring dinosaur? With this hack, it can. Simply trace your hand on a piece of paper. Now, use your imagination to transform that outline into an amazing animal. Add some googly eyes, feathers, scales, or whatever your animal needs. It's like magic, but with art. Numbers aren't just for math class. They can also be the secret ingredient to incredible drawings. Take the number 2. With a few clever lines, it becomes a graceful swan. An 8 transforms into a jolly snowman. And a 3, that's a beautiful butterfly waiting to take flight. See, math can be fun. Just like numbers, letters are hiding secret drawing potential. Let's unlock it. A simple C can become a crescent moon smiling down on the world. An S slithers into a sneaky snake. And a B flutters into another beautiful butterfly. The alphabet is your artistic playground. Who knew your dinnerware could be an art supply? Grab a fork and get ready for some textured fun. Dip the tines of the fork into paint and press it onto paper. Instantly, you've created grass, fur, or even crazy hair. Experiment with different colors and pressures to create unique and amazing textures. Dinner is served on paper. Don't throw away that bubble wrap. It's a pattern-making machine in disguise. Wrap bubble wrap around a rolling pin or a block of wood. Apply paint and roll or press it onto paper. Voila! Instant, eye-catching patterns. Perfect for backgrounds, wrapping paper, or just plain fun. Pop goes the art. Bring the beauty of nature into your artwork with this simple technique. It's like a treasure hunt for textures. Place a leaf under a piece of paper. Rub a crayon over the paper, and watch the leaf's texture magically appear. The veins, the edges, all the intricate details revealed. It's like a secret message from the forest. Drawing perfect circles can be tricky, but not anymore. We've got a secret weapon, circle templates. Use cups, lids, or anything round as a guide. Trace around them to create perfect circles every time. Planets, balloons, eyes, the possibilities are endless. No more wobbly circles. Want to copy a picture accurately? The grid method is your new best friend. It's like a secret code for artists. Draw a grid over your reference image. Then, draw a matching grid on your drawing paper. Copy the contents of each square individually. Piece by piece, your drawing will come to life, perfectly proportioned. Q-tips aren't just for cleaning ears. They're also amazing painting tools. Dip a Q-tip into paint and dab it onto paper to create dots, small details, or even pointillism-style artwork. It's a fun and easy way to add texture and interest to your drawings. Dot, 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 and you're done. Stencils are your shortcut to perfect shapes and stunning silhouettes. Get ready to cut loose with creativity. Use stencils of stars, hearts, animals, or any shape you like. Trace around them or fill them in with paint. Create bold silhouettes or layered designs. It's a simple way to add a touch of magic to your artwork. And there you have it, 10 easy drawing hacks to unleash your inner artist. Remember, art is all about having fun and experimenting. Don't be afraid to try new things, make mistakes, and let your imagination run wild. The most important thing is to keep creating. So grab your art supplies and get started. We can't wait to see what amazing creations you come up with. Thanks for watching.